First, you can see my video. Here is this video. this video. This video. You can see the 22 number video. Let's see. This
Day
video.
32.
Yes, this video getting more good views. 7.8K.
You know why?
You
Why?
see,
Why?
but
Why?
wait,
Because
guys. You see this video getting. I think it's random error. Not error.
blur.
Blurriness. I can tell you guys, my video more than achieve good views in
Zyada
my
excitement हो गई.
32 number video, and this video get around 7.8K views, near about 8K views, and
Near about 1 million.
no, ये guys dream है मेरा, वो हो जाएगा. And you can see it's this video performed very well, and now I tell you, if you if you grow your video, if you grow your channel,
If you want to grow your
if you want to grow your channel, and if you want to good views on your video, then you can definitely collaborating with me, and then your video perform very well, because now my video going very well. You can see.
guys, just because of
32 number
because
video.
of one video, he's saying because of just one video's view, it's like 7.8K, and he's saying that I am now a big YouTuber and you can collaborate
No,
with me for
I'm not
making your
saying this.
videos.
Because my
And let
content,
me-
I think my content is very good for beginners.
Because of
and-
me.
Okay, because of you. But here is my YouTube channel, and I promotion your YouTube channel, your face value. I promote your face value.
It is already there. you are getting views because in this thumbnail, see at the thumbnail, guys. I am here in this thumbnail.
I am also here with you.
But it is because
we
of
are
me.
here. Now you can pay me some money.
Guys, he's charging me, even I'm helping
Because
him
I
already.
promote, because
in his
I
English
promote
journey.
her. Because I promote you, and
I
now
didn't ask you to promote me.
but I promote you already. And you can give me some money,
Without
some little
asking.
money, pocket money. Then I definitely create something new with for my YouTube studio purpose.
Okay.
Yes.
I'll help you in that. You can come to my studio.
Okay, guys. This is our agreement.
See,
and
See, the video's thumbnail is working well. It is 10.2% the CTR, and that is why the video is getting viral. And see the thumbnail. I am there in this thumbnail. Okay.
Okay.
Now let's proceed with the next one.
Thank you.
Yeah. I can see all the words you have noted down for your day.
Yeah, guys. Let's start this video. Let's start today's session. And today is day 35 of 90 days challenge. And in this video, in this video, I make a sentence on vocabulary, and I practice a lot on this vocabulary. So yes, let's continue.
I make a sentence, or I make sentences using these vocabulary.
These vocabulary words. Yes.
Okay. The first word is communicate. So guys, you also have to make a sentence in the comment box using communicate.
Communicate. Yes, communicate. If we improve our skill, any skill, like body language, like speaking skill, then we definitely communicate with anyone, with any front of any businessman, with any front of with any tutor. So communication is more important than knowledge. It's right.
Without knowledge, you cannot communicate
No, if
well.
you good in communication, it's not mandatory to high knowledge, I think.
Yeah. So
If-
practice itself can make you a good communicator. So in order to communicate better, you have to practice every single day.
Yeah.
Okay, so for you also, guys, that when you are just making sentences using new words, like whenever you learn new words while watching videos and reading book, try making simple sentences first. If you are a beginner, he is also a beginner, he's trying to make a very complex sentence, which is not right. Then you would not able to structure it properly. Okay, let's try once more. Make a sentence using communicate. Very simple sentence, I would suggest you.
Hmm. Knowledge and communication is very important in any factor,
Field.
in any field.
Hmm.
Yeah.
Yeah. So you use communication. Communicate is a verb, communication is a noun. So communication as a noun you use, communicate is a verb. So you, in order to communicate better, you need to practice every day. Or in order to communicate clearly, you need practice. Okay.
Yes.
The next one is destroy.
Destroy.
Yes.
If you not work hard, and if you're not using your mind very attentively in any field, so then you definitely destroy your future.
If you not work hard, I highlight this mistake earlier also. When you make a negative sentence, it should be, if it should not be if you not work hard, it should be if you don't work hard.
If you don't work hard,
Can you repeat the sentence again? If you don't work hard.
if you don't work hard,
Hmm.
then and you not if you don't work hard, and if you don't use your mind very attentively, then you will definitely destroy your future.
So here, instead of saying attentively, for listening attentively, it's a fine collocation. But for using brain, say wisely.
Wisely.
If you don't use your mind wisely, you will destroy your future. Okay. Next word is lying.
Lying. Lying is in the sense,
When you are not telling the truth.
like excuse, not excuse.
When you are not telling the truth, you are lying.
Okay. Okay. Hmm. How can I use this word?
You have noted down the word. It's his diary. He has noted down all the words while watching some videos, and I don't know now.
Let's move on next.
Okay, one of my close friends lied to me or was lying to me.
Hmm. Okay.
You didn't practice, didn't you? You
I
didn't
practice, but I
practice.
forget it.
Did you? Okay, this is the right way of asking. You didn't practice, did you? Okay. The next word is tired.
Tired. Every evening I feel very tired because whole day I work some related to my English improvement, related to my work, and related to my house and chores work. So then evening I feel very tired.
In the evening, I feel tired.
Hmm.
Okay. So the other word that you can use for tired, you can use exhausted
Exhausted.
when you have lack of energy. Yeah. Okay. The next one is ritual.
Ritual. In our country, there are so many rituals. People celebrate them and celebrate them.
Rituals we follow
We follow.
for celebrating something or for yes, doing something. We have certain rituals for every kind of festival, for every kind of ceremony. We have
Yes,
rituals. We follow religiously.
in our country, there are so many festivals. Then there are so many people. They celebrate in multi rituals.
Hmm. Why are you
In this
making it more
celebration.
complex?
Hmm.
So, in order to make any ceremony take place, we follow some rituals.
Yes.
People's is not right, it's people.
People.
In India, people follow a lot of rituals for different ceremonies.
Different ceremony.
Okay, yeah. The last one is fiction.
Fiction. I like mostly read. I read mostly storybooks, and I like very much
Okay,
to reading
you like
fiction
fiction.
books. Yes.
But you read non-fiction. Okay, so far you have read all the books written by Sudha Murthy ma'am. So yeah, you can say
I have read
fiction.
so much books related to fictions books. And
Non-fiction, I think the attitude is everything. You have
attitude is
read.
everything, and then I read Ankur Wariko.
Do epic shit.
Do epic shit, get epic shit done.
Both.
Both, yes.
Okay. Then
So-
4 Agreements you are currently reading.
Yes, but mostly I like fiction books.
Okay.
Hmm.
Yeah, so that's all. You have noted down 6 words. And guys, this is how you also have to make sentences. Do not make complex sentences. If you are a beginner, if you are an intermediate, you can try making complex sentences. Even there you can use some connectors too. So this is how you have to practice. That's all for today's video. We'll see you in the next one. Till then, take care. Bye bye.